Now the last tool within Video Shadow is called the YouTube Video Ranker, and that's also a really cool one. And if you're a search marketer and if you do stuff like this for other folks, or even if you're doing it for yourself, you need to track the effectiveness of the tactics that you're doing using tools. And this is one of the really cool tools that's going to allow you to do that specifically for video in a really, really scalable manner. So let's take a look at what the video tracker can do for you. So we're going to go ahead and launch the video ranker, and it's going to allow us to either open a new project or open an existing project. So I'm going to start with a new project. I'm going to call this project Fly Fishing, because this is going to be the project where I'm going to track how my fly fishing videos are doing over time. So I want to track this against a particular video. So if I have a video that I want to track, and for the purposes of this, I'm just going to take this video right here, fly fishing, and I want to see how that's doing for a number of keywords. So my keywords could be fly fishing videos, learn fly fishing, carp fly fishing. So I'm just going to take a set of keywords. I could pull these keywords either from the Google Keyword Detective or the YouTube Keyword Detective, which we talked about earlier, and we save to a CSV or copy to a text file and paste them in here, or I can take them from terms that I know I want to rank for, so I want to track that. So I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to save this project. So it's looking at, for each one of these videos, where do I rank in Google, where do I rank in YouTube, where do I rank in Yahoo, and where do I rank in Bing? So it's going to go through for each one of these and say that for the term fly fishing, here's the URL of the video I check. It's going to tell me how many backlinks I have, if I show in Google, if I show in Yahoo, if I show in Bing and at what position, and if I show in YouTube and at what position. So I can go back and I can check each one of these as often as I like. So if I want to check these, I'll highlight them, I'll hit start. It's going to go through. Now it's going to check these additional terms and tell me how I rank for those. So I can see from this data set, for fly fishing videos, I also rank number 3 in YouTube, I rank 23 in Bing, and for the term carp fly fishing, I'm also number 1 in YouTube. So it gives me a good landscape of where I lay in a number of different engines. Now in addition to this, I can right click this, I can add more keywords as I want, and I can generate a graph of what this looks like over time. So as I come back and I check this in a week, or I check this in 2 weeks, I can see how is my position moving in the different engines, and then I can actually go ahead and click on any one of these. So if I click on Bing, it's going to pull up Bing, and it's going to give me where I actually show up for this particular video, and it said 40, so I'm way the heck down here. So I'm not going to scroll all the way out, but this will give me a better idea of where I show in these engines, and I can actually go out and I can see it. So this is a really cool way for you to track the progress of the work that you're doing and relate it back to the number of backlinks that you have, and you can keep analyzing your videos to see as comments increase, where does my position change? Or as I get more favorites, where does my position change? Or as I get more subscribers, where does my position change? So come back to this tool and rerun it on a regular basis to get an idea of what kind of progress that you're making. And then you'll really, really start to learn what's working in your niche.